Hello, my name is Blair Mortley, and I am a saleswoman for Farmers Insurance. Today, I just want to talk to you a little bit about life insurance. Life insurance, we know, is very essential. We know some people may not have it. Some people might have needed it during COVID, and families may have suffered. But today, I want to talk to you more about it and to understand the three different types, and I will expound on them more. So first, I want to talk about whole life insurance, which is a policy that, of course, is for the entire life to death. And you can gain 2.5% of average growth for that. And you can also borrow from the cash value with penalties, though. So with the penalties, it can contain interest paying back, and also if you borrowing from it, it will take away from your death benefit value. Next, I want to talk about term life insurance. Term life insurance has lower premiums, and yes, sometimes it can be $75,000 to $150,000 for the death benefit, which is great, but it lasts up to 30 years depending on your age, and it does not gain cash value. So meaning if you're 40 years old, you can get a policy up to 30, but if you're 60 years old, the amount you can get is for 10 years. So just imagine only being able to have a policy for 10 years. Yes, you're paying less, but you're not really going to have anything, because we never know how long God allows us to live. Now, lastly, I want to talk about Index Universal Life. Index Universal Life is my favorite. It reminds me of just combining the term and the whole life together. Like I said, it has 6 to 8% in average growth. You can gain cash value, and this cash value is tax-free. It's very beneficial for business owners, and of course, you pay your premiums every month, but you can expense that on your taxes. So the great thing is tax-free, and you can also expense it on your taxes the following year. It can be used for income replacement, and also it's kind of like a private bank for you. So you can use it for whatever you want. It also has a death benefit, which can also increase. And the great thing about that is it can increase, or we can keep it as a stable level premium or level face value, meaning it can start at 75,000, and as you get older, it can increase beyond 150,000. Or it can just stay at $100,000 regarding that death benefit. Living benefits are very great, and also you can gain collateral from it. Another great thing is you can borrow from the Index Universal Life policy without penalties. The best thing, you can borrow from it without penalties, unlike the whole life. So borrowing from it without penalties, meaning no interest, no paying back anything. There's it's called partial surrender. So you're not surrendering the entire policy. You're just borrowing from the cash value you've obtained over the years, and you don't have to pay it back. But guess what? A great thing is it continues to increase after you borrow from it, and it continues to remain active. So I just want to give you a little snippet of these policies, but I will go more in detail on Index Universal Life in another video. But thank you all again for listening. My name is Blair Mortley. I'm with Farmers Insurance, and you can also reach out to me at 678-457-9124 via text and calling. Remember, we have one life to live. Be intentional about it. Have a great day.